What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we got a lot of requests about where we were at with the 5K and 30-day challenge that I've done for myself. Okay, in case you don't know what that is. I got tired of sitting and waiting and moping and whining about AMC, and I said it was time for me to try to take my money back out of this market that I've lost with the investment in AMC. All right? I'm not blaming nobody else. I'm trying to take control of my situation and take my money back. And I've been doing a pretty damn good job. We've been up now for 3 weeks, 21 days. We found some roadblocks. We're trying to remove them. The biggest thing, well, we'll talk about roadblocks in just a second. Let me show you right now on the chart where we're at today. All right. Yesterday was Monday, and you're going to hear me say a phrase of it's Monday, so I don't give a fuck. All right, because I don't give a fuck on Mondays. That's my establish your position days. Now, after I had set the pre-market high and the pre-market low and the mid-mark between the two, I got ready, and when the market opened, they had a huge push down on the SQQQ. All right, I get tired of saying that shit. And I decided that now would be the time for me to jump in and establish my Monday morning position that would last me anywhere between the end of the day and maybe into Wednesday. All right, so I know that this is just going to be my entry point. I wanted to pick a high delta stock option, all right, on the SQQ. So I went with the 19 call. That gave me about a 75-80 delta, which was exactly what I was wanting. That means that at every time the price would move up 1 penny, coffee, been up since 9 o'clock, money, call, and I waited. And as the stock price moved, it came down. It went against me. However, this red dash line, if you watch my videos, you know, my red dash lines are my pre-market highs and lows, and then I got a mid-mark that's yellow, the yellow dash line. But when it came down and it touched the pre-market low, I bought another contract. I'm establishing my position. I'm playing the rebound, all right, off of the pre-market low back into the trend here. And it came down a little bit below that, and then it came on back up into the trend like I thought it would. And it ran all the way up to the midline, past it, and I thought that, hey, this is where it's going to go. So that's when I entered into my third contract of the day and established my position for yesterday leading into today. I usually don't hold options overnight except for Mondays and sometimes Tuesdays, but after that the theta decay takes down the premium too much and you don't want to hold after that. But I'm comfortable with this. This is fucking Monday, all right? We got 300 shares. We got 300 shares going into Tuesday, and what happens before the market closes? It collapses on us and we start down here. All right, now this is post-market. When pre-market started, my pre-market lines are red and yellow, but in the mornings I got my red lines from yesterday because I'm trying to see how the price action is moving in accordance with the pre-market from the day before. So I make these pre-markets blue until the market opens, and these become red and those get deleted. All right, the other red dash lines get deleted. All right, but I want you to take a notice real quick. You see where I got the line that says the break-even line? Let me tell you how I know when the market opens exactly where my options premium is going to be opening and how much money I'm going to be profiting. Where's my break-even point? All right, as of right now before the market opens. To do that, get ready because I'm going to blow your socks off with this one, people. Pay attention if you're a member of my Discord. I use this all day long. It's called Options Strat. And people, if you're trying to learn how to do options, you want Options Strat. You want to sign up for it. It's a free membership for for as long as you want to have it. It's a free membership. You can come in here, you can learn how to create your option strategies that's best for you and the budget that you're on. I'm going to show you how in just a second. All right. But right now, I'm on option strats. All right. And I'm in a long call position with the SQQQ. And yesterday it closed at 1994. All right. Expiration you're going to have. In my case, I've got the October 6th expiration. All right. And come right here, I got the 19 call. Click on it, and you adjust it. How many contracts do you have? At what price did you buy it at? And it makes this table related to the positions that you're in, okay? And in my case, I could come down here and take this range bar and slide it to the 0, and I add the break-even line, 2017. Now, this lets me know when the options that I bought Monday would be in the money, all right? And as you can see, it's made a pretty good move so far, and we went above where we've been yesterday, and I have to move these pre-market highs up to here and the midline to about right there. So now that looks pretty good, but we're on an uptrend, and exactly how much am I profiting right now? Well, we see the stock prices at 2041. So we go back to option strats and look at 2041. Slide it down to 2041, comes up on the slider. There's 2040. So I'm up $59 as of right now before market open. And I just watch my pre-market as it's moving, and I come check it with option strats to see where I'm going to be when the market opens. Now, the benefit behind that is I can prearrange right now what my strategy is going to be for Tuesday. Now that I know that I'm most likely going to be in the money when it opens, so I can start there with my plan for today. All right. So with that, all you got to do. I'm not an affiliate. I'm going to be an affiliate. There is a paid subscription, and the best thing about the paid subscription is it gives you the percent chance of profit for your option, all right, strategy that you're using. One more quick note about option strat before you come over here. You come over here and they got something called the optimizer. Let's say you have the deer in the headlights feeling. You're not sure what to do. Well, you go over to the optimizer here on option strats and you choose which one you are. Are you bullish on the stock or the ETF? Are you bullish? Are you neutral? Are you bearish? Are you very bearish? Whichever one of these you choose, it will tell you what strategy is best for you. If I'm neutral today on the SQQQ, then they're suggesting that I use the iron butterfly, that I buy these calls and puts, that I got a 52% chance. I'm risking $102 to profit 92 if I choose this strategy. And if I want to use this strategy, I just click it right here and it opens it up. We'll talk about how to use this more in Discord. Or I could choose an iron condor or short straddle. You say, well, I don't know how none of these work. CSI, it doesn't matter. You can click that button and it's going to give you the strategy laid out that you're choosing. Now you can come in here and do a couple little tweaks. You could change the expiration dates to see what kind of change in the price. All right, 50% chance of it being successful. That's what you have to pay for, is that right there. Everything else is free. All right. Or I could come up here and I could say, well, I don't really like this, so I want to bring it out one more. And I bring this leg over one more, and I see I can make a few more dollars profit if I ran with this iron condor instead. All right, and you can come down here and you can look at the graph and see what it looks like. And where your profit and losses and everything would be. This is a good strategy for today. All right, so with that, I hope this helped y'all. I am in the process right now of setting up margin accounts. All right, I'm setting up the margin account in Webull. I went through the hoops with that. Then they told me I had to sell my positions over in my cash account before I could have that, and it's just been a headache. But I've almost got it done. You have to have a margin account in order to trade iron condors, iron butterflies, and the other strategies that are guaranteed almost to make you money. All right, that's why they make us jump through so many hoops, people. But there it is. That's one of the plans you could run with today if you had no idea what you wanted to do and you got it figured out. You got your strategy laid out and you're ready to go for when the market opens. Now, I'll teach y'all later how to purchase these using Webull and using TD Ameritrade. Those are the two that I'll be using. TD Ameritrade is going to be set up so that the bot can trade it, and I'm going to show y'all that in just a little while. Once I got the rules in the bot, I turn that motherfucker on. It's going to trade options for me all the time. And I won't have to do another damn thing but sit back and watch it grow money. So with that, I love y'all. Be blessed. And I'll see y'all soon with another update in the next video.